Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you two crypto tools. First one is CoinGecko and the second one is PooCoin. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two and also we'll try to find out which one is better. But let's start with the CoinGecko. Operating since 2014, CoinGecko is one of the go-to sites for crypto prices listings. Alongside this, CoinGecko welcomes new crypto users to the community with educational material, yield gain calculations, and interactive giveaways. When first landing on CoinGecko, Bitcoin defaults as the top cryptocurrency with the largest market cap and network. However, there are thousands of coins out there to discover. Without the correct tools to refine your search, sifting through project after project can be tiresome. That's why CoinGecko has categorized all the different characteristics of tokens to allow to see a wealth of different data points and information relating to crypto markets. You can easily educate yourself at CoinGecko by those candies. Every day you log in, you get either 10 candies, on the second day you get 20, third day 30, and then you are going by 100. They are basically trying to lure you into CoinGecko world to earn the coins, and you can spend it in a reward shop, for example for some books, how to DeFi advanced version, or how to DeFi a beginner, then how to Bitcoin, $10 off CoinGecko swag, $5 off Ellipel Titan cold wallet, and so on and so on. Nice discounts. Other than that, CoinGecko is very basically basic way how to track your cryptocurrency. You have everything in here, from the prices to the 24-hour volume, market cap, and also the life cycle of, for example, Bitcoin. But not only that, but even the PooCoin then we talked about and we are going to talk about. You see that on the PooCoin we are looking forward to a 1.6% drop, and also we have the estimates where you can buy it, the contract, the website, and also we can check the markets where you can buy PooCoin. At the moment it's a pancake swap or on their market as well, so basically it's very easy. You just buy it from your token, and that's about it. It's a very easy way how you can live or how you can trade with them. It's not a big difference in the price with the pancake swap, and you can basically further explore the coin. So it's not really about comparing them. It just one works with the other, and they can basically check how it's done and check the whole PooCoin chart and PooCoin progress. You can trade multi-chart, you can find out more about it. As you can see, we are at a 2.1448 for a PooCoin. And yeah, that's about it. If you have more questions, guys, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you on the other one.